everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope all are doing good. Viewers, today in this video, super job opportunities from Genpact. 2 job roles. Work location is Hyderabad. Any graduate can apply for this position. So let's get started. Before going into our main content, a small request to the viewers. Those who are visiting channel for a first time, viewers, please do subscribe channel, hit bell icon to receive all latest job updates time to time. Yes, Genpact, position process associate related to customer service. When we see responsibilities, you need to respond to the customer issues, queries on time, and you need to provide on-time resolution to the customers. Provide support for data collection to enable recovery of the account for the end user. You need to have a deep understanding of client process and policies. You need to reproduce customer issues and escalate product bugs. Provide excellent customer service to our customers. You should be responsible to exhibit capacity for critical thinking and analysis. And candidate need to be work ethic. Should be good team player with an ability to work well both independently and within the context of large collaborative environment. And very important point, eligibility criteria, qualification we seek in you. Minimum qualification is graduation, any discipline. If you've done your graduation in any discipline, you can apply for this particular job role. Preferred qualification, if you have a previous experience in customer service role related to chat, email, voice, it will be an added advantage. Good understanding skills, probing skills. Analytical skills with customer-centric approach. Excellent proficiency with written English with neutral English accent. Candidate need to be flexible enough. You should be able to work on flexible schedule including weekend shift. Primary location is Hyderabad. Job is officially posted on October 27, 2021. Unposting date is ongoing. So interested candidates, mainly eligible candidates, can apply for this position, and I'm going to provide link in description. Next job role from Genpact, mega virtual drive for source to pay on 1st November, walk-in drive, virtual walk-in drive on 1st November 11 am to 5 pm. Work location is Hyderabad, Uppal, Pocharam. When we see required qualification, eligibility criteria, details, viewers, any graduate degree. If you've done your graduation in any stream, you can apply for this position. Good communication and analytical skills are mandatory. Preferred qualification, previous experience in procurement and sourcing. It will be an added advantage if you have experience in procurement and sourcing. Probing skills, understanding skills. Email communication is required. Take a note, email communication is required. The candidate needs to possess excellent communication skills, both written and verbal in English. You need to execute basic rules, attention to detail, should have first time right attitude. Good knowledge on MS Office tools and good processing speed, mainly in Excel. And our main important point, responsibilities. Spot by negotiation and compliances check. Maintain detailed understanding of client process and policies. Responsible to showcase powerful work ethic with an ability to work well both independently and with the context of large collaborative environment. A very good job opportunities, viewers. One is virtual walk-in drive, and I am going to provide 2 important links in the description. Through link you can apply particular job role. Any graduates in any discipline, you can apply for this particular job role. Hope this video is useful for you. Viewers, please do like the video so that it will reach to needy people. And yes, for the second job role for virtual walk-in drive, minimum 1 year experience is mandatory. And all the best for your upcoming interviews. Stay tuned to channel, subscribe channel to receive all latest job updates time to time. Thank you.